Hey guys, welcome to the wrap-up video. In this video we'll just briefly go over what we've learned and what we've accomplished in this series. This series was all on WordPress and pretty much building a WordPress site from the ground up. In the first chapter we discussed the fundamentals of blogging, what is blogging, why people do it. We discussed some of the lingo and the terms such as archives, feeds, blog rolls, things of that nature. And we also looked at the blog anatomy and how most blogs are set up physically, usually with the main column on the left and then a sidebar on the right for sub-content. We discussed what platforms were available, platforms like Blogger, blog.com, wordpress.com, and we discussed self-hosted versus hosted solutions. Self-hosted being a blog that's hosted on another server than your own, where you would just log in, make your blog post, and log out. Whereas hosted solutions, you'd actually get the software and upload it on your own host and have total access to it, which ultimately is usually the best way to go. Let's see, what else did we do? We installed WordPress. Well, first we looked at the specifications. WordPress needs PHP 5.2 or higher, MySQL, an Apache server. Preferably, you can install WordPress on a Windows server, but it can be a pain in the neck. We installed XAMPP, which includes all those specifications. And we created a MySQL database through PHPMyAdmin, and then we installed WordPress version 3.5.1, which is the latest version at this time, and we configured WordPress, and again we went over the hosted versus self-hosted blogs. So after we got WordPress up and running, we started creating our content. WordPress is also a full-fledged content management system, so we could create regular website pages like About Us or services, and then we got into the blogging aspect of it and creating categories and blog posts with certain fields. We installed a form plugin, the Contact 7 form plugin, and we set that up as a contact form. And we also looked into extending WordPress with plugins. We created a portfolio plugin. Well, we implemented a portfolio plugin, which allowed us to have an image gallery on our website. Excuse me. And we created a video gallery, which used video sharing sites like YouTube and Dailymotion, so we could link those videos to our gallery. And we also created a download repository where we could have our clients download, or our website visitors download certain documents from us, like terms and conditions or references, stuff like that. Next, we looked at theming, and we looked at what WordPress themes consisted of, how to find them, download them, install them, activate them, how to tweak certain aspects of them, and then we went over the standards of custom theme design or development, and then we actually created our own theme from scratch. We didn't convert any HTML or anything like that. We actually built it from the ground up, which was successful and displayed everything we needed it to. So we did a good amount of work in this series, and I had a good time filming it, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned from it, and I hope to see you in another series. So thanks, guys.